In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between N8N, Make, and Zapier so you can figure out which no-code automation platform works best for your business or workflows. So let's start with the Zapier. So Zapier is well known automation platform. It's built for simplicity, letting you create apps or workflows without creating or writing a code, so you can connect thousands of apps like Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, and more. It's also a beginner friendly and a fast to set up, but as your workflows get more complex, the pricing can scale up quickly, and you might hit limitations on logic and branching. Next, we have the Make. So Make is more into visual and flexible. It gives you a drag and drop interface, detailed scenario, mapping, and powerful logic controls. You can build complex automations with filters, routers, and even API calls, all without coding. It's more into advanced than Zapier, but still accessible to non-developers. So pricing is also more competitive for a powerful or power users. And finally, we have the N8N. So N8N is an open source automation platform. It gives you a full control. You can self-host it, customize it, and even write your own code in here and inside the workflows if needed. So it supports advanced integrations and gives developers and tech-savvy users the flexibility they want. So the trade-off is it's not as plug and play as Zapier and Make. So you'll need to be comfortable setting things up and possibly hosting your own instance. So what's the difference between these three? So Zapier, go with Zapier if you're just getting started, if you want a quick integration and don't need an advanced customization. And then choose Make if you want a visual control, better pricing, and more room to scale to your logic without writing a code. Now pick N8N if you're a developer or a power user who wants a total control, self-hosting, and open source flexibility. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.